Cops are coming, so, hang around.
I'm already warmed up, and I got the BO to prove it.
Don't waste your arrow. It's time. I've activated the Avengers protocol.
Yeah, right. Hilarious, Stark. Alright, where's the hidden cameras?
This is legit. Code Alpha, Omicron, Omega. We need you, Hawkeye. We had our reasons for disbanding the Avengers. I'll bet some of you would count my winning personality as one. And the world did fine without us. But something's changed. You know my ego well enough to realize I wouldn't send out this call if I could just whip up a suit of armor and make the bad things go away.
Kill me, Stark!
Whatever you're doing, I guarantee it's nothing compared to this. Get to the mansion ASAP. Your team is waiting.
Agent Wilson, I was told you were at the top of your class. So why am I watching you just hang out here like Spider-Man after a late night? Wilson, what's gotten into you?
Sorry, Director Fury. Just got a call for the big leagues.
Big leagues? Ha! And what do you think is bigger than S.H.I.E.L.D.?
Jarvis, I'm here. And I am completely geeking out that Tony sent a probe for me.
Mr. Stark suggested you should wear the War Machine armor.
War Machine? I don't think so. Time to give Project Red Wing its first test drive.
Arrogant and pig-headed. You'll make a fine Avenger.
Called you too, huh? Nothing big going on in Valhalla tonight?
Jugensborg, a Norse tree-hurling competition and a festival the likes of which you can't even imagine. But never have I heard Stark so serious.
Autopilot's out! Cross your fingers! Now you go hit whatever hit us!
That suits me fine. Oh, you fool! Kill us all! Did you just call me stupid?
Some things never change.
Now this is a battle. It's been too long.
Too long, like your hair.
Enough! You knuckleheads play tag and Manhattan gets a 9.0 earthquake. Thanks for reminding me why this didn't work last time.
Here's what's happening. The Avengers are reassembling. Handpicked by me, under my command.
You? Yeah, you could lead a field trip to Vegas, maybe, but...
No jokes. Not now. Cap is gone. One of our own fell today. Taken down by MODOK and the Red Skull. If they're together now, the world is at risk. Besides, we have a friend to avenge. Now, I know you all have reasons to walk out that door, but I can't do this alone. Can we set the past aside and work together? One last time.
We are Avengers, and the world needs us.
You know me. Point and shoot.
We gonna hug now, or can we go smash someone?